Sunday nature walk. So today I will tell you about what happened to trees after they are cut. So as you can see here, a wooden log. This is so weak because this tree is not getting soil and water from earth. You will also observe that the branches of this tree are also not that much strong when they were strong as it was not cutted. So we should save our trees because they give us oxygen. Let's think about ourselves only, not about them, or think that's about themselves only or not about ourselves. Thank you.